If you want to create a professional blog website and earn money using affiliate marketing, then this is a perfect video for you. I will show you how to create this beautiful website. This is not a WordPress website, this is a Blogger website, and this is a professional theme which I found for free. I'll show you how you can also use this free theme which looks really professional and create your affiliate website and make some money. I'll show you everything from A to Z. I'll show you which are the common pages like home, about, contact, and privacy, and different pages, how to change the logo, how to add the social links, what menu you should have on your website. I'll give you an idea. This is just a example website, but if you follow this tutorial, you can create website for any kind of niche, for tech, for finance, for fitness, for solar, for any kind of domain or niche. You can create this kind of professional website using blogger.com. I'm going to show you how to create this slider here, and then when we scroll, you can see there is also space reserved for advertisement. So not just only by affiliate marketing, you can also apply for Google AdSense and make some money using Google AdSense too. And then you can see here, we will create this blog post. I will explain you everything in detail, like how you can write better blog posts and how to add affiliate links on those blog posts so that people can click on them and you can make some money. And we'll create this sidebar, and then you see a social plugin. If you have any social network, you can connect those using these beautiful icons. And then we have most popular section here where the most popular blog post or website will be shown. And then we have this video section. If you want, you can add the YouTube link of your YouTube channel here so people can go and check your YouTube channel. And then your Facebook follow section, it will show your Facebook page here. And then in the end, you can see there's some common pages which are required to get approval for Google AdSense, or even if you are applying for affiliate marketing program, then these pages are really helpful because this shows that this is a legit website. And if I click on any blog post, for example, you can see here, so I'll show you how to create blog posts and how to write a blog post. We're going to cover all these things, how to find the good images for your blog website, how you should write a blog post, and how you can add affiliate link on the website. For example, I show you here, I add one affiliate link, and also we'll talk about like if you should add some affiliate links in the middle of your blog post so that when people can connect to those links, they can go to affiliate partner, and whenever they buy something, you get some commission. And all these things we're going to do in really easy 5 steps. In part 1, we'll set up the blog with a professional free custom template. You can see here this custom template looks beautiful. I'll show you how you can download this template and import your Blogger website. You do not need to use the ugly Blogger templates. You can download this template for free and use on your Blogger website. And then I'll show you how to create common pages like this one for free using ChatGPT. And then we have some more pages here like privacy policy, terms and condition, disclaimer. We'll all create those using ChatGPT because on these pages, they're just disclaimer, the main content within your blog post. So these pages we can create using ChatGPT. Third part will be to generate affiliate links to earn money. For example, you can see here, if I go to this blog post, you can see here, this is my affiliate link. If somebody click on this one, so I'll get a commission if they buy something. So I'll show you how you can also generate your affiliate links and how you can sign up for the best affiliate program, in which you can sign up and find affiliate program for any domain or industry, or you can say for any niche. And fourth part will be creating blog posts with affiliate links, because when you get the affiliate links, then we'll talk a little bit about how to create nice blog posts so that people will read your blog post and they can rank on search engines. And as a bonus, I will tell you how you can also implement Google AdSense on the website. We have space reserved for AdSense on the blog website. So while you're making money using affiliate links, you can also make money using Google AdSense. I recommend you guys to watch this tutorial until the end very carefully. And if you follow this tutorial until then, you will be able to create your affiliate marketing blog website completely free. Okay, to create this blog website, you need to go to blogger.com. I'll add the link to this blogger.com website in the description. And then you need to click here on sign in, or you can click here create your blog. And now you need to log in with your Gmail ID. If you do not have a Gmail account or a Google account, you can create one. And then you can select your Gmail account or Google account from here. And you can see I'm logged inside in my Blogger account. In your case, you will not have anything here because I already created one blog website. In your case, you need to use this drop down here and then click here on new blog. Click on new blog. And now depending on a niche or industry, you can give a name to this blog. If you cannot think of any good name, don't take too much stress about it. You can always change the name of your blog website. For example, I'll say tech blog and then click on next. So now you need to choose the address or URL for your Blogspot website. There is important thing what I will do, guys, because we are going to use ChatGPT a lot in this tutorial. So I'm going to open ChatGPT in a new tab. So whenever we need something, we can ask ChatGPT. Write message, give me 10 domain names for blog website for tech industry. And when you click here, ChatGPT will give you 10 names and you can use this name to create your blog website URL. Okay, so you can see here ChatGPT gave us 10 very good names for a blog website for tech domain. If you want, you can just change this prompt and you can write here, give me 10 domain names for fitness blog. And then you click and you will get 10 names for a fitness blog. We are not going to use .com because they're domain names. For blog website, we just need the first part. So we'll use the first part before the dot. So we'll copy this here. We'll go back to the blogger website and then we'll add this. You can see this blog address is not available because it is already taken. We can try more domain name. For example, this one looks really nice. I will copy this one and then I'll paste it here and we'll see if it is available or not. For example, this is also not available. So what we can do, we can try to put dash in between the names and check if it's available or not. And looks like it is available. So you can try different combination here, or if you want, you can just click on regenerate and you can get more names and try choosing a good name for your blog website. And don't stress too much about the name of your blog. You can buy a custom domain name for your blog website. But the most important is to start creating your blog website. So once you get the domain name which is available, click on save. Okay, now you see we have the complete new blog. It is completely empty. There is no post on the blog. And if I click on view blog, you can see it's a complete empty blog. And this looks really boring. And this is the example blog website we are going to create. So what we need to do now is to download this free template. You can find the link in description to download this free template. You can download this template from this website. You'll find the link in the description to download this free template. So click here on download and then you'll see the ad. Just close the ad and you can see this free blogger template is downloaded. And now what I will do, I'll click here on this folder icon. So this is the template downloaded. I'll right click on it and then click on extract all and then click on extract and you'll see all these files inside the folder. Okay, what we need to do now is we need to import this template to the blogger website. So we'll go back to the blogger dashboard and now we'll click here on theme and now from this drop down we'll click on restore. And guys, make sure you're doing this in new blog website. If you already have content on your website and you try to import this new template, there are chances that some data can be lost. Normally your data will stay on the website, but I highly recommend you to try this on new website. If you want to import the free template on a existing website, take the backup before from here. So for everybody else, we're just gonna click here on restore and then click on upload. And now we'll go to this folder which is extracted and then we'll select this file Ravel free version .xml. If you're watching this video in future, you might have 2.0, 3.0 or 4.0, but there will be only one .xml file. So you need to choose this .xml file and then click here on open. And now you see this message here, restoring theme, and then you see restored theme. And this was our old blog. And if I just refresh this blog, you can see we have this new theme added on the website. And a lot of stuff is already done here, so it's not going to take so much time for you to create this blog website. You can see the menus are here. We just need to create pages for them and we need to change this menu, which I'll show you how you can do that. And just add links to social icons and show some posts here because right now we do not have anything on the website, so everything here is empty. Okay guys, congratulations, you have done the first part very well. So we have set up the blog website, we imported the free theme, and now we're going to the second part to create the common pages using ChatGPT. Okay, so we'll go back to blogger account here. And then if we click here on pages, you can see there are no pages here. So what are the common pages you should have on your blog website or any kind of website? So let me take you to the example website I created for you guys. So this is the example website. So these are the common pages. Here on the top, don't make it too cluttered. Keep the home link here, about link and contact link. Okay, and then in the bottom, contact us, privacy policy, terms and condition and disclaimer. So we need to create these pages. And these menus here, I'll show you how to create this menu later. But first, let me create these pages here, 3 pages, and then privacy policy, terms and condition and disclaimer, because they're really important. Even when you go for a affiliate approval or even when you apply for AdSense approval, they check your website if your website is up to standards or not. If you do not have these kind of pages, it can be really hard for you to get the AdSense approval or to apply for a affiliate partner program. So we'll go back to our blogger account and then we select pages here and then click on new page. So the first page will create the about page. And now the big question, what you should write on about page. So what we'll do, we'll go to our friend ChatGPT to write a content for about page for a tech blog. Again, I'm telling you, you can change your niche or domain here and then click here on send message. And you don't need to worry so much about these common pages because these pages are not really ranking on Google search engine rankings. You're not going to put your affiliate links here. Most of the affiliate links and AdSense you're going to put, they will be displayed on your blog post. There are more important pages for which you need to write the genuine content. You need to work a little bit on that. But for these pages, you can totally copy the ChatGPT generated content. And if you really want to write your own content, I highly recommend that. That will the best thing you can do with your blog website. If you can write all these pages by yourself, do that. But I don't see any issue using content from ChatGPT for these common pages like about, contact, terms and condition, disclaimer, privacy policies. ChatGPT got real nice data. We can use it for our blog website. But I'm not talking here about blog posts. Don't start copy pasting the blog content from ChatGPT and adding a website. I've seen on internet sometimes people say they get result from ChatGPT and their article ranked, but I really don't know. I never ranked any article from ChatGPT on Google. So make a wise decision, and as per my recommendation, don't write a blog post from ChatGPT. You can take the hello of ChatGPT, but don't copy paste the content from ChatGPT for the blog post. Okay, so you can see here ChatGPT wrote this content. What I will do, I just copy this content from here. Then I go back to my page and then I'll paste this content. So here you can see you need to change something. So it's about and then your tech blog name. You need to change it your name. For example, our tech blog is called Tech Savvy Insight. So what I will do, I'll just add here about Tech Savvy Insight. And then same thing again, I'll change it here to Tech Savvy Insight. You can change here with your blog name and then here I will do the same thing. I will change it to Tech Savvy Insight. And once done, I click on publish and click confirm. So you can see the page is published. So I'll create more pages again, contact us. And for the content, we'll know what we'll do. We'll go to ChatGPT and ask the content for a contact page. And we'll paste that content here and make sure you change your email ID how we did in last page, because you can see ChatGPT gives content and here we need to change some things. So when you create content for contact page, you might need to change your email ID or your phone number. So change that. So once you add the content here, click here on publish. Let me create more pages really fast because I hope you understand how to create these pages and how to get content from ChatGPT. So I create all these pages. So make sure you create at least these pages on your blog website: disclaimer, terms and condition, privacy policy, contact us, and about. And I will add the list in description of the video so you can check if there's some more pages you need to create for a specific niche or a domain. So make sure you check the description of this video. So second part of the video is done. We have created con pages using ChatGPT. And now let's talk about blog posts, because when we create the blog post, we'll start seeing data here because right now it is blank here and here is also blank. And you can see here these are the example menu. That doesn't mean anything. So when we create blog posts, we can have the real menus here. For example, on this website we have categories, this tech category, and then mobile, computer, the subcategories, and then we have hosting category and smartwatch categories, and there's tech news here and website builder category here. So if somebody click on website builder, they can see all the blog posts for website builder, and we'll start seeing all these blog posts once we start creating the blog post. And to create this blog post, for example, I show you here what we need to do. We need to add the content and also we need the affiliate links. So when somebody click on these links, we can get some commission. So what we'll do first, we'll find the affiliate link, how we can get these affiliate links and get the commission. Okay, to get affiliate links, there are two very good platforms which I use to find different merchants to promote the affiliate programs. One is Share a Sale and second is impact.com. Mostly I promote the tech products, especially related to web hosting, website softwares, plugins, themes like this. In your case, you can find the best merchant in your niche and you can promote their products and get very good commission. So this is a really nice platform, and Impact too. I'll add the link for both these platforms in the description of this video. So make sure guys you check that affiliate link of mine and you can also join this program. For example, ShareSale, I joined this one, WRocket one. And when I click on get links here, you can see here's my link. So when I write a blog post, I'll add this link and whenever somebody will click on this link, I'll get a commission. And same thing with Impact here. I can show you I have joined some programs. So I've joined the Bluehost program here, Envato Market and Gravity Forms. And here are the links. I can just copy this link and add to my blog post. And then whenever somebody buy from my link, I'll get a commission. So depending on industry, you can also find relevant affiliate partners. So you can see the multiple categories here like clothing, home and garden, automotive, accessories, so many categories here. So you can find your domain or niche, write that keyword and you'll find so many affiliate partners here. Or what you can do, you can click here on categories and then you can choose what kind of affiliate products you want to promote. For example, if you have financial, because affiliate programs in financial niche are very lucrative and you can make a lot of money promoting these kind of programs. Here you can see we can promote all these products. Just choose which one you want to promote and write blog posts about them. So what you need to do is you need to choose which one you want. For example, there is this one, deluxe business products. I don't want to go in so much detail what is this, but yes, power rank is really good here. Power rank is 3, so yes. And then you got $256 EPC. So it's really nice programs. You can click a join here and then they will ask you some questions, write them. And once you get approved, you will go to a share sale program. And when you scroll your page, you will find these top merchants here. And you can click on get links and then you can get these links and copy them and embed in your blog post. Okay, so now I hope you understand where you find these kind of programs. Share a sale, impact.com, the two big one. If you want, you can go to individual programs. For example, I promote Bluehost, Cloudways, which is a really nice program. So you can get affiliates from these programs also. I will add more details in the description of this video, how to get help signing up for this kind of affiliate program, which one provide the most value when you promote the products. So make sure you check the description of video, guys. And also I created another video which are the most lucrative domains or niche to create blog posts or blog websites. So if you want to check that video, I'll drop the link in description too. Okay, so once we have this link, what we'll do, we'll start creating a blog post. So now we'll click on post here and then we click on new post. Okay, now so what are the important steps to create a blog post? So first you need a title. Find a nice title. You can do some keyword research if you want using like a lot of free tools like Google Trends, and then you can start writing blog posts about it. Let me show you the example blog. You can see I create some blog posts. Supercharge your WordPress website with WRocket, or website migration made easy, or emerging technologies and trends. What you can do, you can go to ChatGPT. You can write here, give 5 post topics for tech blog, and then you click here. So ChatGPT will give you like real nice topics, and you can see here we got the topics here and we get a little bit of idea. For example, it says the future of artificial intelligence, trends and application. And there's some detail here. Explore the latest advancement in artificial intelligence and how they're shaping various industries. And if I write here, instead of tech blog, I can say fitness blog. Then you can see here, ChatGPT give me real nice ideas about the blog post topics. So ultimate guide to starting a fitness journey, nutrition 101, fueling your workout for success, home workout, staying fit without a gym membership, mental health and fitness. You can give different instructions. ChatGPT, instead of text, you can say finance, and then ChatGPT will give you topics related to a finance blog. So I hope you understand how to find the blog topics to create the blog post on. Okay, so I suggest you when you're a beginner, you can really start with the basic blog post. For example, you can compare two products like I did here, Bluehost versus SiteGround, which hosting provider is right for you. So you can write little bit text about the blog here and then add image here and then some more text, and then you can add a table here to compare the features between Bluehost and SiteGround. If you're creating comparing posts in a finance niche or fitness niche, you can give different products here and create a table of comparison between them. And then I said conclusion, which hosting provider should you choose? If you want to know really in detail how to create blog posts, I'll add the link in description to a really nice video. You can learn that. And then you can see I say choose Bluehost if, and then here I added my affiliate link. If somebody click on this link, you can see here it is redirecting to Bluehost. And whenever somebody buy a product from there within 30 days or 60 days, I get a small commission from the Bluehost. And then I choose SiteGround. You can add a affiliate link here too. I forgot to add a link. And in the end, I also added these links by Bluehost hosting, by SiteGround. So if anybody click on these links, I'll get a small commission. So this is one kind of basic blog post you can create. You can find the topic from ChatGPT from here. For example, you write to ChatGPT, give me comparison post topics for hosting. You can see we have different kind of suggestions here. So we can take any of this topic and start writing blog posts about it. If you're in fitness industry, you can just write a give me comparison post for fitness products. Then ChatGPT says to on which topics you can create comparison posts in fitness industry. You can see here it gave me first topic fitness tracker showdown Fitbit versus Apple Watch. So you can just copy this and write a blog post about it. Like I explained here, just write some basic information. This is not really advanced thing. I'm telling you like in a very easy way for beginners how you should start writing blog posts. If you want advanced tutorial, don't forget to check the description of this video. And then a blog post and then a comparison table. Just copy this idea and make the same blog post for starting. and then write a conclusion, and then you can give what they should choose. If they want to choose the product A, why, give some reasons, and if they want to choose the product B, and then give some points, and in the end add these affiliate links. I'm going to show you how to add all this stuff. I just wanted to tell you what kind of post you can create. So the comparison post was the one of the easiest post topics you can create. Second will be a review of a product. For example, I created this blog post, supercharge your website with WP Rocket. I've shown you I'm an affiliate partner with WP Rocket. I promote the products. So I wrote a blog post about it. We say supercharge your website with WP Rocket. Then I write a little bit of information here. And then what is WP Rocket? What are the key features? Page caching, browser caching, GZip comparison, different points. And then I explained stellar support is there. So support is really good if you buy WP Rocket. Then pricing, conclusion. In the end, I added this link. It is not really standing out, but yes, I added this link here. So now you understand the second type of post you can create will be review post. There are so many videos out there which will explain much in detail how to write a proper blog post. So we'll go back here and we'll write a title. For example, let's say Bluehost versus SiteGround, which hosting provider is right for you. Then we need to add the content. Spend some time, few minutes writing the comparison post. In our case, I'll just copy the content from here, so we'll save some time. But I highly recommend you to write your own content. You can take help of ChatGPT to ask some ideas. So once you add all the content here, you can see the content is here. So once you add all the content here, it might look not very good, but yes, when you see the blog post, it will look really good. Okay, one more important thing here, you need to add one image here. So where to find the free images with high quality and without copyright? So pixel.com is a really good website, or there's another website is called pixabay.com. From both these websites, you can download royalty free images. So for example, Pixabay, I write here hosting, then I get so many images here, but it doesn't explain like what the right image. So what I will do, I will write web hosting. Then I will get more relevant examples. For example, the image of computer here, and then somebody is working here, some code image here. So you can just find which image looks better for you, and then you can use that image. For example, if you're in fitness industry, you can find fitness goals, write a keyword here, and then you see the relevant images. You'll find many images here you can use free of cost on your blog website, and all their royalty free images. So okay, let's go back to web hosting one. For example, I like this image, so I can click on this image, and then I click here on free download, and you can see the image is downloaded here. So we'll go back to the blog post here, and here I'll click here where I want to add the image, and I click on this insert image, and then upload from computer, and then I click on choose files, and I'll go to downloads folder, and then I'll choose this image and click on open, and now I will click on select. And one more thing guys, you can see this is a really small image. What I can do, you can just stretch it like this and the image will be much bigger, so it will look much better when somebody visit your blog post. And guys, it's really important to understand how to add affiliate links. So we wrote an article, and you can see here choose SiteGround if, because if the user is reading until here, they're interested in SiteGround or in Bluehost. So I'll go back to my impact or my ShareSale account. So I'm on my impact account, and then this is my affiliate link for Bluehost. I'll copy this link, and I go back to blog post, and then on which text I want to add the link, I select that text and click here on this link icon, and then you can see text to display is already selected SiteGround, and then I'll paste the link here. I copy it from impact account or from ShareSale and click on apply. So now the link is added, and then you can also add the link in the end. How I added here, let me show you again how you can add these kind of links. So you can write here buy Bluehost hosting, and then you can select the text and then click on this icon and then add your affiliate link here and click on apply, or you can click on this link directly, and here you can write buy SiteGround hosting, and then you can paste your affiliate link here and then click on apply. So you can see there's a new link added here, and to make this link stand out, what you can do, you can select this text here, and then you can click here text background color. For example, if I say text background color is black, and then you can see it's black and blue. Doesn't look very good, so what I can do, I can change the text color and select the text color to white. So background color here is black and text color is white, and I click on publish and then click on confirm. Okay, so our blog post is published. If I click on this eye icon, and I can see this blog post here, you can see our blog post is published and tables look really nice, and we have our affiliate links here. If somebody click here and buy, we'll get some commission. And we have this link here. Okay, it looks really bad. Let me see what happened. We'll go back here, edit the blog post. Okay, I'll go to end. I select the text again here. Then I choose the text color. Okay, and I think I need to select white here. Okay, now it's changed to white and click on update. In blog, there are not a lot of option to design the page. I will add some links where you can create beautiful images with affiliate links to add here. So you can create affiliate links in much more beautiful manner and add to your blog post. Okay, so the post is added here. If you guys are a beginner, I highly recommend to write at least 5 blog posts. Whenever you will write this blog post, you will get some experience if you're a beginner, and it will make it really easy for you to create more blog posts. Just create 5 blog posts. Don't worry too much about the quality of blog posts. Just start writing it, and you can always take help of ChatGPT and ask different questions to ChatGPT how to write a blog post. Okay, so we need to add 5 more blog posts here. I'm not going to add all blog posts. I just shown you how I create one blog post. You can similarly add all the 5 blog posts. One important thing to consider here is you see this section here, click on apply labels. Here you can write the categories of blog posts related to. For example, I can say hosting and then click on apply. And when I create new blog post, for example, I click on new post and this blog post will be about Cloudways hosting review and add the text, image and affiliate links. And when I click on publish here and then confirm. Now I'll go back here and then what I can do, because they both blog posts are related to hosting, so I give them labels. You can see we already give hosting label here, and if I click here on apply labels to this post, and you can see here the already available labels are appearing here. So I select hosting and then click on apply. Okay, so we have created 2 blog posts here. If I go back to my blog website, if I refresh the page, you can see here is one blog post. Second, we cannot see image because I haven't added the image or any content, but you can see the blog post here. I'll show you a little bit how you can manage this section too, but for now, I wanted to show how to create blog posts and to add affiliate links in this blog post. And guys, if you're getting some value out of this information video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helped me a lot to grow the channel and make this content reach to more wider audience. And they can also get from this kind of content and create their own blog website. And this content is totally free, and subscribing to the channel is also totally free. So don't be shy. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video as much as you can. Okay, let me quickly add 2 more blog posts so we can continue with the tutorial. I'll use the same image to save the time. Okay, so I've quickly added all these blog posts here, and you can see I've given labels to these two, but not these two. For example, this one I can say this label gadgets. So this label is applied. So we can have different label for different posts, or single post can have multiple labels. So once you create all these blog posts, if I go back to my blog here, I refresh the page, you can see this section looks really cool now. And when we see here, the latest post will be displayed. You cannot see any content here because I have not added any content, but here you can see when I added the content, you can see this small description here and read more button. Okay, now very important, the design of the homepage, because we already created the blog post, we added the affiliate links. Now we talk about changing the overall design of the homepage. So let's learn how to change these links, change the logo, add your social links here, or how to change these links, because right now it is dummy links. I'll show you how you can do that, and then I'll show you how to customize this sidebar here. So let's go back to Blogger, and then what you need to do is click here on layout. So when you click on layout here, you have theme option here, the box version or default variables. So if you're a beginner, I suggest you to leave this theme option, do not change anything here. And first thing we'll change here is the header logo. So if we click here on pencil icon, you can see this by default logo came with a theme, but what you can do, you can upload image from a computer and you can click on browse, and if you already created a logo, you can upload that logo. For example, I have created this logo using Canva. I'll just upload this logo. If you want to watch a small informational video how to create a logo for a blog or website, you can check that video in description. Very small video to create very effective and professional logos. So I uploaded the logo and then click on save. If I go back to my blog now, if I refresh the page, you can see the logo has been changed. Looks really nice. Okay, now let's talk about these links. You can see they're on the left side here. So when we see here, this header logo on the left side is a link list. What I can do, I can just click on edit, and then you can see here their home, about and contact. Right now the links came with a theme. What we can do, home we will leave like this. It works really well. For about, we click on add this item, and now we need to add the link of the about page here. So this link came with a free template. We select this and we'll delete this link. Now we can open in a new tab the Blogger account, so it will be easy for to copy the URLs. We'll go to pages here, and which page we want to add, we'll just hover on the page. You see this eye icon, right click on this icon and then copy link. We go back to the this page, and then site URL will add and we will post this link, and then we click on save. Same thing we'll do with contact. I'll open the pages again. There is a contact page. Hover on I icon, right click and copy link. We'll go back here and then click on edit, and then site URL, select all of this and delete this one, and then add this link here. Then click on save, and make sure you save here too. Click on save here too. And if I go back to my blog again, I refresh the page. If I click here on about, you can see we are on the about page. And if I click on contact, we are on contact page. There is no content here, guys, so make sure you add the content here. You can take the help of ChatGPT to create the content for these common pages. And now let's talk about these menu, how we can manage these links. And guys, here please focus. It is not really hard, but there's something which you really need to understand. So here you see this link list. What you need to do is everything here, you can see home, features, they are the top links. For example, here home, features, documentation and download. And everything which is under drop down, when you go back here, they have this underscore to create a drop down. And if you can see there's a big underscore here, it is for the second level drop down. For example, you have features here, and under features you have multi drop down, and inside multi drop down you have drop down 1. For example, you see here features, multi drop down, and then drop down 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what you need to do now, for example, is the features and you want to change it. So what we'll do, we'll click here on edit. Instead of features, I want to add all my tech blog posts related in tech category or tech label. I will write here tech, and I need to add the URL of the blog post page. So how I can do that? I'll go back again to the Blogger account and then go to the post. I will open any post which is in that label. For example, let's open this one, HS blog post here. And then when I scroll the page, you can see the tag is hosting. If I click on hosting, I see all the posts related to the hosting category. I can copy this URL from here, and guys, make sure to remove this max result 6, otherwise only 6 posts will show. I delete this and I'll only copy this part. Then I go back to layout, and the site URL I will add this URL and then click on save, and make sure you save here too. If I go to my blog post here, you can see its feature, but when I refresh the page, now it says tech, and when I click on tech, it takes me to the page where all tech posts are added. We can again click on this drop down, and now in multi drop down, what we can do, we can either if you don't want things complicated, you can delete all these items and keep only the top level menus, or if you want to keep this item, you can click on edit this item and then make sure you keep the first part, this underscore here, and you can see computer, and you can add the URL of a label where all the computer related posts are added. You know how to do that. You need to write blog post, you need to add label computer. For example, if I give a label computer here and then apply. So now if I want to display all the blog posts who have computer label, I can add their URL here. Normally the starting of the URL is same. It will always be a blog name.blogspot.com /search/label and then the label name. For example, I can see computer here and then click on save and then save here again. So when I go here, refresh the page, I go to tech and then you can see computer here. So when I click on computer, I'll find the blog post in computer label. You can change all these menus item how I explained you. Just one thing to take care of. So when you change this sub menus or multi sub menus, or you can say drop down or multi drop down, make sure you keep this startings here. For the first level, keep like single underscore. For the second level, keep the double drop down or this long underscore, whatever you call it, keep it, and then click on save. So this is how to work on this menu items. Now let's see social icons. So we'll go back to layout and social widget here. We click on the edit icon, and then we have the Facebook here. Click on add this item and delete the default link here, and you can add your own Facebook page URL here and click on save. Same thing you can do with Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. If you do not have these items, you can just delete them from here and then click on save. Okay, so now we have this slider items here. So they are blogger layout. We have this HTML JavaScript main slider. In the page one, you have this extra section here, but in free version, you don't have this section. If you are confused that why you cannot see this section, because it comes with the pro version. If you want to get the pro version of the template, you can check the link in description. But in free version, we have this section directly here. So to add this section, we go blogger layout and then we click on main slider. Then this pop-up will open. Here you can define how many posts you want to see. So right now it is 6 and recent post and then slider. I'll add the information in description what else you can do here. For example, you want to sort it, or if you want to do something else, what else you can change here. So normally you can leave it default how it is and click on save. And then your advertisement we'll talk in the end, as I told you the bonus point of this video to talk about the Google AdSense. And then we featured post, and then you search for the post which you want to display as featured post. So for example, I choose this Bluehost versus SiteGround, and then click on save. And also guys, make sure sometime if it is not saved, click here on save. If I go back to tech blog now, I refresh the page, you can see we have this blog post, and then we have this feature post here which looks real nice. And then we have this all the recent posts. If you want to change it, you can change them too. Click on main post here, and then you have multiple options here how many posts you want to display on main page. 7, 8, 10 depends. If you want to change the text read more to something else, you can change it from here. If you want to show the date header, you can enable that option from here. To hide the author, you can hide, and author name will be hidden. And then you have general design. If you want to change anything from this section, you can change it. For example, if you want to move the comment below the tabs, you can do that. And I say to leave it like this, works really nice, and click on save. So we have done this. Now only we talk about the sidebar. So let's talk about sidebar. Search this blog, keep this option here. If somebody want to search your blog, they can use it. And now we AdSense here, it is by default deactivated because we haven't added the AdSense on the website. We have attribution, you can delete this. It is the blogger attribution. I will click on remove and then remove gadget. Okay. So now if you see here, this blogger, it will be gone. If I refresh the page, this blogger icon is gone. Your search section, if somebody want to search on your website, they can use this section. And then your labels, which are the, or you can say the categories on your website. We go back to layout, you can see the labels are here. Then report abuse, we just remove this section, we don't want this section. Click OK. And then popular post, you can edit this, and how many posts you want to see, you can choose from here. For example, right now 3 posts. If you want 2 posts, you can choose these 2 posts and click on save. And then we have about me section. If you don't want to display about me, you can see here. Here's the link to complete profile. If I click here, link to my complete profile, the author profile will be shown here. In my blog website, I don't like to keep this option, so I'll just remove this gadget and then click OK. And then we have social plugin. So social plugin here, same thing. What we need to do is click on this edit icon, and then you can own website social URL. Facebook, I'll add this one. Same for Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, everything you can edit like this. And then click on save. So we talked about this also. Then subscribe us. You can add your video here. If you have YouTube video, we'll go back to layout and you see this option, subscribers. So if you click on pencil icon, this is a little bit complicated, guys. So you don't need to change anything here, just only one thing. You need to change the data ID. You need to add the ID for your video which you want to add here. For example, let me show you how you can find this ID. So to add any video, find that video in YouTube and copy this last option here, V equal to, and this last text here. Copy this and then go back to blogger layout, and data ID, replace this thing here to the video ID you want to display here, and then click on save. And now if I go back to my tech blog, if I refresh this, you can see my YouTube video is added here. And then we have this Facebook section. So I'll go back to blogger layout, and then what you need to do here, same thing, this last thing here, instead of templates yard, you need to add your Facebook URL here, URL of your Facebook page. For example, this is my Facebook page URL. I'll copy this, and then here I will add all this URL here, and then click on save. And now if I go back to tech blog, if I refresh this, you can see my Facebook page is added here. And then we have tags here. We have already tags on so many places. I can select all the labels from here and then click on save, so tag will be displayed here. Okay, and the last thing here we need to work on is the footer menu. We will add the privacy policy, disclaimer, and terms and condition pages. So we'll go back to layout, and here click on this pencil icon, and you can see home, about, context is already here. The links are from the free template theme, but you need to change these links. So change this link already, and then click on add new item, and then for example you can add here privacy policy, and then you can go to pages and then hover on this eye icon, right click, copy link, and then add the link here to the privacy policy page, and then click on save. You can add one more new item. This time we'll say terms and condition, and same thing, we'll go back to the pages. I'll hover on eye, right click, then copy link, then add here, and then save. And then I click on last one, and then I add disclaimer here. Then from the pages, I'll right click on the eye and copy link, and I'll add the disclaimer link here, and then click on save, and then save items. If I go back to my blog now, refresh the page, you can see all these pages are added here. And now let's talk about the bonus point which I promised you in starting this video, which was Google AdSense implementation. So you need to click here on earnings, and then you need to click on connect AdSense. And you can see here your blog isn't ready to show ads yet. You need to fix some things to continue. So first you need to add the content which is of good quality on your website, create all these pages, and then you can apply for AdSense. And then you see here AdSense doesn't know about your blog. There is an issue with the blogs written AdSense. Please go to AdSense, make sure blog domain name tech savvy inside is listed as site. So what you can do when you add all the content and you have created a Google AdSense account, I'll not explain you how to create Google AdSense account in this video. I'll add the link in the description how to do that. It's really straight and simple process. So click here and go to AdSense. So now you'll come to this page of AdSense. You need to log in into Google AdSense account. So make sure you already log in the same browser with the Google AdSense account. And then click this drop down and click on add another site. Now you need to copy blog website URL here and go back to AdSense and add your blog website URL here. Click on save. So once you save, then you can click here, connect your site to AdSense. Click on let's go. And you will see this page, connect your site, Blogger will continue your site to AdSense. Click on next, request review, and click on request review. And if you add the good content on your blog website, your AdSense account will be approved. If you want to know the best tips how to get your AdSense account approved, check the video in description or top I link. I'll add a really nice video about it. And if you don't want to use the AdSense, just keep earning money using affiliate marketing, you can click here remove AdSense and AdSense will remove from your website. So when AdSense will be approved in your website tech blog, the ads going to display on these places. This space is already reserved for Google AdSense. I hope guys you like this video and you're able to create a blog website. If you face any issue creating a blog website, comment down below. I answer all the comments on my channel. No matter how many comments are there, hundreds and thousands comments, I reply to all the comments. And if I forget anything in this blog tutorial, let me know in comments what I forget, or if you want some more information, also comment down below this video. And to check the best affiliate programs, I will add the link in the description. You can join them, and there's so many merchants there. And guys, just for information, I want to tell you that I'm using affiliate marketing from so many years now. It is not as easy as it looks on the internet. People are saying they're making thousands and thousands of dollars every month using affiliate marketing program. It is really good potential to make money using affiliate marketing. I do that. I make good money using affiliate marketing, but it's going to take some time. You need a lot of traffic on your website. So keep making this blog post, or if your YouTube channel also, you can add affiliate links in YouTube channel. You can check my affiliate links under my YouTube channel. And if you please like this video, that really helped me a lot, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And if you want to support the channel, then also you can subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. There's no money subscribing to the channel. And guys, please share this video with somebody who wants to create a blog website. And if you want to create an e-commerce website using WordPress, check out this video on screen. And if you want to create a WordPress blog website, check this